Today, we're gonna be making a Chinese green onion pancake, but with a little bit of twist. We're actually gonna be using rice cauliflower as the base of it to decrease the amount of carbohydrates. Let's get started. So for this recipe, we'll need 2 cups of rice cauliflower, a 1/3 cup of water, 1/2 cup of potato starch, some finely chopped green onions, some Szechuan black pepper salts, and this is optional, but I'll be using a little bit of everything but the bagel sesame seasoning blend. I do have a recipe tutorial on how to make it, but in short, it's made of sesame seeds, garlic, onion, and salt. So into a hot pan, we're gonna be adding in our cauliflower, along with the 1/3 cup of water. We're gonna cook this until the cauliflower is nice and soft. We're also gonna be adding in the sea salt now. So now we're just gonna divide it into 2 different balls, so we're making 2 big pancakes. Crispy on the outside, nice and chewy in the center. And there you have it, a simple twist to a Chinese scallion pancake, but this version is nice and low carb and packed with cauliflower. I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and until next time, relish every bite.